Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT to help you report bugs more effectively. This is especially very useful and saves you time. So, as a QA, if you ever encountered an issue like an unresponsive login button on mobile, for example, ChatGPT can assist you in crafting a clear and detailed bug report. So, let's get into it. So, first, here I give so you have to provide all the information like this. Start with a question, like it doesn't even have to end with a question mark. It will ChatGPT understands what you're trying to say. So you can say, can you please create a bug report for the following bug that I found during my testing, and you provide and continue with the information. And don't worry about the grammar or spelling. Most of the time it is understood by the ChatGPT correctly. So you can say, I encountered a bug so and so scenario, for example here, when where the login button is unresponsive on mobile and the mobile device OS, and on the browser Safari, and then you specify the details, and then you provide with the details about your environment, and after that you provide the um, outline the steps to reproduce the bug. So you say, I open the app and so tap the login button, and then you say what exactly what you expected to happen versus what actually occurred. So you say that here I expect that login page redirect me to the home page, but the login button was unresponsive. And you can say, you can give more details like this happens all the time on mobile devices only, and you have screenshot for this. So when you give this information, ChatGPT gives you this nice bug report with all the title. So it gives you everything. Simply copy paste, and most of the time I experience like this format is even copied, so you don't need to bold these again. It's copied as it is. So when you click the copy button, make sure that you delete these two lines, because when you say copy, it copies everything. And so simply copy paste, and that's a nice thing. And that's it. Using ChatGPT, you can draft your bug report and save time, and make sure you provide all the necessary details. And I specified everything here. Even if this seems to be very painful for you, you don't need to say I have a screenshot or these things. Yeah, as much details you provide, it's better. But this case, this is all I needed for my scenario. So that's it. Using ChatGPT, you can draft your bug report. So it saves you a lot of time. And if you have any questions or need more tips, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.